Tired of manually reordering dates in Word? Sort them instantly with one hidden button. No formulas needed. If you have a list of dates that are completely out of order, you know the drill. You try to drag them around, you copy and paste, you make mistakes, and it takes forever. But there is a much better way, and it is already built right into Word. You just have to know where to look. Here is the plan. First, highlight your date list. Then, find the Sort button in the Home tab. Finally, confirm and watch them snap into order. So let us jump in and do this together. Start by selecting all the dates you want to sort. Click and drag over the entire list, or if you want to grab everything, just press Ctrl and A on your keyboard. That selects the whole document. But make sure you only have the dates selected. If you have any headers or extra text above the list, leave them out. Word is smart, but it is not a mind reader. You want to tell it exactly what to sort. So take a second, check your selection, and make sure every date that needs sorting is highlighted. Got it? Good. Now go to the Home tab and click the Sort button. I know this seems like something you would find in a data program like Excel, but it is actually right there in the Home tab of Word. It looks like a little A with a Z and a down arrow, or sometimes it just says Sort. Click that button. A dialog box will pop up. Do not let this scare you. It looks like it has a lot of options, but for sorting dates, you only need one. Make sure it says Sort by Paragraphs and type Date. Word should auto-detect that these are dates, not just text. If it does not, just click the drop-down for Type and select Date. That tells Word to treat these as actual dates rather than just random words. And here is the thing. This is where the real magic happens. In the dialog, just click OK to sort ascending. This will put your earliest date at the top and the most recent one at the bottom. Click that button and watch your list instantly reorganize itself. No dragging, no copy and paste, no errors. Just snap, done. If you need them in reverse order, from newest to oldest, just click descending instead. But for most people, ascending is what you want. And that is it. You are done. Your dates are now perfectly in order. This is one of those things that feels like a secret trick, but once you know it, you will use it all the time. Whether you are organizing a timeline, cleaning up a schedule, or just making sense of a messy document, the Sort button is your new best friend. Give it a try on your own list, and I promise you will never manually reorder dates in Word again.